Okay, to continue, that inside the brain there are what we call inactive tissue damaged by dementia, and you may have dementia if you can no longer operate simple appliances, or get or you can't get or you can't get or you can't get lost in familiar, or you can lost get lost in familiar surroundings, can't remember that socks go on your feet and shirts cover your chest, no longer recognize what the numbers in your checkbook signify, and forget simple words like bread or butter. Most cases of dementia or prolonged mental confusion are indeed caused by Alzheimer's disease. But you should also look for memory problems caused by taking one or more medications. The combination of Tagamet and Valium, for example, can trigger a mind numbing, 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 numbing build up of the tranquilizer in the body. Alzheimer's. Alzheimer's, you don't hear a lot of good news about Alzheimer's disease. Cases continue to mount. 5 million Americans and counting, and there are still only a handful of drugs available to treat it, all of which work only in the early stages of the disease. So it was with some excitement that doctors read the report in the New England Journal of Medicine last month, last past years, about first treatment that can slow the progression of the disease in advanced cases. The drug is called memantine. It has been used for more than a decade in Europe for various neurological conditions, including Par- Parkinson's. It is under review by the FDA. Now, if individual have this Alzheimer's or dementia, now there are drugs called memantine. for treatment, and also a drug called elixirs for your memory. Elixir boosting your brain. Now, herbal extract derived, now ginkgo, now this ginkgo biloba, this herbal extract derived from the leaves of a tree of Chinese origin is said to increase blood flow to the brain. And once there is an increased blood flow to the brain, it will improve it will improve individual alertness and concentration. Now, how sleep can battle cancer. Now, this is connected is because our brain do have the time to rest or sleep. A good night's sleep is right up there with chicken soup as a cure all. But can it help someone beat cancer? A growing body of research suggests it might, according to an article in the current issue of Brain, Behavior, and Immunity. Stanford University Dr. David Spiegel and his colleagues point to studies showing that shift workers have higher rates of breast cancer than women who sleep normal hours. Two, now, to enhance our memory retention, individual must do the physical exercises. It's because moderate aerobic exercise enhances memory retention and mental exercise. The brain is like a muscle, and if you don't use it, you'll lose it. Neuroscientists recommend reading books, doing crossword puzzles, and other mental exercises to challenge your memory.